was some time back that I first did a review of the Mitsubishi Triton Double Cab. It was the predecessor to this one, and a full detailed description and link to that will be down below. But for now, look at this. The sharp, angular, aggressive face, the improved technology. This is the latest generation, Triton Double Cab. The last time I drove a Mitsubishi Triton, that more extended review, one of the points which really stood out and I took away with me was just how good it was to drive, just how composed it was, and how much it felt 2 parts luxury SUV perhaps to 1 part double cab utility. Yes, don't get me wrong, it's got all the ability. It'll tow a 3.5 ton brake trailer, for instance. You can load at least a ton on the back, and you find that it really has got the ride height to go anywhere and do anything. But it's also when you're out here, driving along on the road, whether it be on paths, on the road, on trails, or on gravel, wherever you want to throw it, that the Triton impresses no end. It really does feel like driving a Pajero Sport, for instance. You've got easy access to the central media system here. That's Apple's CarPlay and Android Auto, for instance, Bluetooth, navigation, and all of it filtered through to the multifunctional steering wheel and clear view of the instrumentation cluster up ahead. But it's also when you drive along the 2.4 litre Mitsubishi tried and tested common rail turbo diesel motor. It offers up 133 kilowatts, but the big one is it offers up 430 newton meters of torque. Now that puts it on similar power figures to the Toyota 2.8 litre motor that you get in the Hilux. It's an incredibly strong motor. All the torque means that when you're pulling, or when you're out there and it needs the power, you can feel that it's a car which has actually got it. And I must say, although it may not be the most immediate in terms of an overtake situation, you can feel deep down it's got true power, and it's got power which can be used whether on-road or off-road. Now getting onto the off-road side, you got the Mitsubishi rotary select dial down at the center here. You can of course put in 2 high, 4 high, 4 high, or you can even lock the rear differential for when the going gets really tough. This one is the 4x4 model, but you also get in a 4x2, and you find with its impressive ride height and its sharp lines, this car really is a great vehicle to drive. The Mitsubishi Triton is packed with features. I'm talking the likes of a backing up camera, mirrors which fold when you lock the car. I'm talking the likes of these pedals to control the 6-speed automated transmission, the steering wheel mounted controls, and the impressive multimedia system which is intuitive, tile-based and easy to use. I've also got dual zone climate controlled air conditioning, and you just find when driving it along, in true sense, what they've always been good at with the predecessor and with this one is it feels so much like driving a luxury SUV come double cab bakkie. It's impressive to drive on the road, but yet strong enough to get the job done, and in true Mitsubishi style, it also packs impressive value for money. Pricing starts for this, the range topper, at below 600,000 Rand, around the 590,000 Rand mark in fact, and it's sold with Mitsubishi's 3-year 100,000 kilometer manufacturer warranty and 5-year 90,000 kilometer manufacturer service plan for what is a truly impressive double cab, and one which certainly has my vote.